Hi guys, good morning. Ayan, so nandito tayo ngayon sa 12 Bikes and super excited ko kasi ngayong araw na tayo aalis and pinapabox na natin yung bike natin. Halika, let's get inside. Ayan. So ito na yung bike natin, pinapabox na natin. Ayan, dinidisassemble na siya. Ayan, ni Kuya Noy. Ayan, and then ito yung box na gagamitin natin. Medyo malaki. Ayan, so super excited ko kasi mamayang gabi na tayo aalis and first stop natin will be Thailand. So doon tayo mag-i-start ng ating Southeast Asia tour as part of our World Cycling Tour. And sobrang coincidence kasi na-meet natin si Yan. Hi, Yan. Ayan, he's doing world bike touring for about 3 years now,
yes,
right?
Around Europe and Asia.
Yeah, and it's such a fate that we meet each other.
Yeah.
Just before I do my first ever world cycling trip, which will start in Southeast Asia. And I think it's a good sign.
Yeah, of course. We'll do it.
Yeah, so I'll show you his bike, by the way. It's outside. It's there. Yeah, I'll show you real quick. Yeah. Ayan, this is his bike. What can you advise to me as first time that I will be doing this?
Just find your pace and yeah, I don't I don't know. Just go. The more important is go, and after it, everything will follow. You know. Yeah, starting is the more important, I think.
Yeah, and the rest will follow.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
You make me look smaller.
Yeah, because I should.
Hindi na kami pinagtagpo. Okay na, next year na lang kami magkita pagbalik ko. Ayan, kasalukuyan akong hirap na hirap kasi sobrang laki ng bike box natin. Ay, sorry po. Ayan, so right now, hanapin ko muna yung travel tax. Di ako nakapagbayad. Dalimutan ko. So first time kong hindi nag-online, so hindi ko alam kung saan nahanapin yung travel tax. Ayan, so mag-check-in na tayo. Ito yung bike natin. Ito yung hand carry ko. So hopefully hindi tayo lumagpas kasi meron lang tayong 20 kilos na check-in and 7 kilograms na hand carry. So sana hindi tayo lumagpas. Ang haggard ko na, aga-aga. So, nandito tayo sa special assistance since may sugat nga tayo. And, ayun, super laki ng bike box natin. Pero at least hindi na tayo gaano pipila ng mahaba. So, lumagpas tayo ng 20 kilos. So, 26 kilos lahat siya since I think sa box, super laki kasi. So, tinanggal ko yung rack, pero hindi ko matanggal yung mga nandun sa side. Ayan na nga, at hindi ko na kinaya, nagpa-wheelchair na tayo. Super na-stress ako kasi over baggage ako ng mga 6 kilos and dami ko mga tinanggal na mga gamit. Kasi parang 6 kilos, mga 3,000 din siya mahigit and I can't afford to pay more. Ayan, na-stress yung sugat ko, parang bumubuka-buka na naman siya ulit. Ayan. Ay, meron pa ditong ano. Ito yung sinasabi mo na may isa pang scan. First time kong magpa-assist sa wheelchair dahil nga hindi pa magaling yung sugat natin. Ayan. So, thank you so much sa nag-assist sa akin. Tulak-tulak niya ako sa wheelchair. Hiyang-iya ako. Kasi sinabi ko sa kanya na magbabike ako. Pero paano ako magbabike? May sugat tayo. Ayan. Thank you so much kay Ma'am Chris.
Baka pwede nyo rin po akong i-follow.
Yes. Anong name ng mo, Ma'am?
Damindeha Pamilya po. Salamat po kay Ma'am Dani Biker.
Yes. Ayan. So, last to board daw out tayo. So, panghuling-huli tayo. Kaya, waiting muna tayo dito. Thank you for assisting me.
Bye na. Ingat po.
Yeah.
Abangan ko yung vlog mo.
Ayan na, boarding na tayo.
Boarding pass pa.
Ayan na nga, so boarding na natin and mag-IPL tayo. So ililift tayo paakyat para hindi na tayo aakyat ng hagdanan. At least mas safe na din para kaysa malaglag ako, 'di ba? So mas disgrasya pa yung abuti natin. Ayan. So first time ko to, kaya kinakabahan ako. Pero sabi naman ni Kuya, safe naman. Safe naman po ba?
Safe. Safe na
Yan,
safe.
oh. San ka pa? Ang pogi pa nang nag-a-assist sa atin. Shout out. Ayan na. Tara
Ang
na.
linaw.
Ayan, so nilift na tayo and nandito na tayo sa almost na sa aeroplano. Board na ba lahat? Kami na lang.
Wala si Mark yan.
Welcome to Bangkok. Ang naka-wheelchair. Kaya na nga, pinahirapan ko si Kuya, di ba? So, tulak niya yung ano natin, bike natin. Pati ako, tulak-tulak niya. My friend.
ของสำนักงานการบินพลเรือนแห่งประเทศไทยห้ามมิให้ผู้โดยสารนั่งท้องเหลว
Have you eaten green curry before?
Oh, I don't eat. Oh,
Chicken rice. You have chicken rice.
I'm just recording some of the words that you say.
There are trains running to the south every day. So any province that you don't want to buy anymore, you just take the train from that province to another province and then buy around the province and then take another train to another province.
We and these small islands depends.
Yeah, because you need to take ferry.
Ferry, yeah. We were trying to find both.
Vinegar or good with pepper.
She's helping us to prepare our route for the South Thailand. Ayan, so unfortunately, wala pa tayong rack since kailangan natin palitan yung rack natin. Ito. So, pinalagyan ko muna ng support dito para at least kayanin niya yung mga pannier bags na ikakabit natin since first time ko nga na gagamit ng pannier bags and medyo mabigat-bigat siya talaga. Kaya try natin kung kakayanin to. Remedyo lang siya. Making a support for this rack since this is not like a good quality rack. Good morning. Ayan, so time check. 8 o'clock na ng umaga and pa-ride out pa lang tayo. So, first ride natin pero punta muna tayo ng city na sa Bangkok mismo. Actually, nasa Bangkok tayo but we're going to the main city kung saan maraming mga bike shop. Okay, good morning. So today is our day 1 and here's our final setup. So I have 2 feed bags, handlebar bag in front, handlebar bag, and then 2 pannier bags. And him, hi, morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so this is his setup. So 2 front bags and so many more bags. Oh, he has this one. I don't have. It's okay. Yeah, so we're ready to go. We're all set. So we're going to the city of Bangkok to go to the bike shop because I have to change my rack. This one. We'll change it to a better rack. So hopefully we can find one. And this is my favorite. My Decathlon cup. So yeah, let's see if we can endure the heat here in Bangkok, because every day is like 35 and above the temperature. So let's go. Ah! Grabe, kaka-ride out pa lang pero super init na. Woo! Grabe yung headwind. Grabe yung headwind dito. Woo! Ayan, so may pinasukan kami dito na parang underpass. Ayan siya. Stephen. Ayan, so 1.5 kilometers, malapit na tayo dun sa bike shop na pagbibilan natin ng rack. Grabe, sobrang init na. Woo! Woo! Last 1 kilometer, doon na tayo sa bike shop. In fairness, kumulimlim. Woo! Ayan, so finally, nandito na rin tayo sa Pro Bike. Woo! Grabe. Time check. I think 11 pas na. Grabe init. So, tingnan natin kung merong rack.
This kind of stuff best is you bring the bike in.
Okay, so nandito na kami ngayon sa Pro Bikes and naghahanap ako ng rack for this because this is not stable enough to handle yung mga bikes natin, yung mga bags natin, mga pannier bags natin. Ang kaso, yung meron sila na available dito ay maliit and manipis. So, naghahanap tayo ng bike rack for this since this is my old rack and hindi niya kaya yung weight ng mga pannier bags na gagamitin natin. Ang kaso mo, yung meron sila na available dito, maliit, hindi kasya yung 2.6 na gulong natin. Ito. Okay, so here's the thing. So I bought a bike rack here, but unfortunately, it can't fit my bike because my tires is so wide, so big. So I exchanged with Stephen. So this is the one that I bought, and this is his bike rack. So I'm gonna use this one because his rack fits my bike. Thank you so much. Yeah, so we're ready to go. Thank you so much, Pro Bikes, for assisting us to get a bike rack. So yeah, let's go. Stephen. Yan, malapit na tayo sa Samut-Sakan and mainit pa rin. Time check 4 plus na pasado. Time check 5:30 na. Ayan, so after 60 kilometers, nag-book a break muna. Wow, thank you so much! Kabkon ka, Makmak! Oh my God! I'm so happy. So, she gave us free buko, free coconut water.
Don't think so. It's maybe similar shades.
No, it's only 20 baht. This is 20 baht. That is 20 baht. So for some reason, I don't know, but she gave us free coconut water. Thank you so much. I think naawa siya.
I know why.
We look so tired. I think
No, you are Maganda.
yeah. I think she thinks that we're really tired right now. So she gave us free coconut. Kopkun ka, Makmak. So if you're going to south area of Thailand, you can, I think, are we on the south area? Not yet.
Going towards south, yeah.
Samut Sakon. Ayan. So Samut Sakon. After 60 kilometers, nagpahinga muna kami. Grabe tindi ng init. Time check, almost 6 PM na din. Ayan, so matatapos na ang ating 69 kilometers. Actually, ayan, so almost done with our 70 kilometers ride for today. Ayan, after ng grabe, chaotic talaga, chaotic ride sa city ng Bangkok, at least we end it here sa napakagandang, ayan, palayan, ayan, sa Samut Sakon. So hanggang dito muna yung day 1 natin sa Samut Sakon since first day natin na nag-ride. So today is April 10. Ayan. Kakapagod pero sulit naman yung ending ng ride natin kasi ganito kaganda yung view. Nice. Whew. And ayan, magdidilim na din. So, buti na lang may mag-accommodate sa atin for tonight. Local dito sa Thailand. Kakilala siya ni Miss Lin kay Miss Lot. So, thank you so much po. Ayan, so time check. Dumating kami dito mga 7:30 PM na. So, gabing-gabi na. And yeah, may nagpatuloy sa atin dito na local na kaibigan nung nagpatuloy din sa atin sa Bangkok na kakilala ni Stephen. He doesn't know what I'm saying. Pet? My pet.
เผ็ดหรือไม่เผ็ด เผ็ดไหมa little bit
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for accommodating us.